Welcome back to Health and Wellness for You and Yours. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. In this episode, we're going to be cooking tacos for Taco Tuesday. Which tacos do you prefer? I'm going to be testing out a bunch of tacos to see which one I like the best. When you go to the grocery store and walk down the aisle and you see all this food and you see all these tacos, which one do you choose? I know, for me, certain tacos, they crumble up in your hand, the food goes all over the place, but there's other tacos that seem to be more enjoyable. So that's what we're testing out. Which tacos are the best for Taco Tuesday? So let's get cooking. I'm so excited about Taco Tuesday, but the first thing we have to do is prepare all of our ingredients. So let's slice up these bell peppers. What's your earliest memory of eating tacos? Who introduced you to this delicious dish? I greatly appreciate you leaving your comments and sharing your stories. At times, I will be speeding up the video a bit, just like I've done in all of my other cooking and baking educational tutorials. Do you have a family taco recipe that's been passed down through generations? We love to hear about special ingredients or cooking techniques, so don't forget to leave your comments and let us know. Have you ever hosted a taco night or attended one that left a lasting impression? Share your favorite taco party memories with us. Have you ever traveled to a place known for its amazing tacos? Tell us about your taco adventures abroad or within your own country. Next, I'm going to add black beans, pinto beans, and corn to the steaming pot. Do you like to add black beans, pinto beans, and or corn to your tacos? Leave a comment and let me know. Steaming vegetables offers several health advantages. Number 1, it preserves nutrients. Steaming vegetables help retain their vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients better than other cooking methods like boiling or frying. Since the vegetables are cooked quickly in steam, they're less exposed to high temperatures, which can degrade sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Number 2, maintains texture and flavor. Steaming allows vegetables to maintain their natural texture and flavors better than boiling, where they can become mushy, or frying, which can add unhealthy fats. This preservation of texture and flavor encourages consumption of vegetables, making it easier to meet daily nutritional needs. And number 3, low calorie and fat content. Steaming vegetables requires no additional fat or oil, making it a low calorie and low fat cooking method. This can be advantageous for those looking to manage their weight or reduce their intake of unhealthy fats. Steamed vegetables can also be a great option for individuals with dietary restrictions, such as those following low-fat or low-calorie diets. Next, I'm going to add the steaming pot to the stove. I'm going to steam our beans and corn for 30 minutes. I'm going to start steaming them below the high mark, and then after I notice them boiling, I'm going to turn them down just above the low mark. It's time to cook the rice. First, I'm going to add the water, and then I'm going to add the packet of chicken flavored rice, my favorite. I'm olive oiling up the iron frying pan so I can saute the bell peppers, onions, and garlic powder. Yummy, yummy, yummy. If you could only eat one type of taco for the rest of your life, what would it be? Describe your ultimate taco creation. Leave a comment and let me know. We're going to slice up these bell pepper slices a bit so they can fit nicely into the taco shell. Have you ever had a memorable taco making mishap or culinary adventure gone wrong? We want to hear the funny or disastrous stories. I'm going to add a few red onions to our bell pepper saute mix. Do you like to add bell peppers, onions, and garlic to your tacos or fajitas? Do you prefer to use any type of meat such as beef, chicken, or pork? Leave a comment and let us know. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder for that extra flavor. It's time to add a can of refried beans to the non-stick frying pan. Do you and or your family members like or love or dislike or hate using refried beans on your tacos? Leave a comment and let me know. I greatly appreciate it. I'm not really a big meat eater these days, so I love to put refried beans on my tacos and burrito bowls. What's the most unique or unconventional taco filling you've ever tried? How did it taste? And would you make or try it again? I don't know about you, but I like adding red onions to my refried beans. How about you? Do you like to add any extra goodies to your refried beans? Leave a comment and let me know. Here are a few of my creative Taco Tuesday suggestions. It's time for Trey's Creative Taco Tuesday suggestions. Chili quesadillas. Spread meatless chili between two tortillas along with cheese and any other desired fillings. Cook in a skillet until crispy and golden brown, then slice into wedges and serve with salsa and sour cream. Chili stuffed avocados. Halve avocados and remove the pits. Then fill the centers with meatless chili. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream and chopped cilantro. Shrimp tacos. Shrimp tacos are a delightful seafood option featuring seafood grilled or sauteed shrimp paired with vibrant flavors of fresh salsa and creamy avocado. Toss the shrimp with olive oil and taco seasoning or your own blend of spices. Grill or saute the shrimp until they are pink, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Warm the tortillas on the grill or in a skillet until they are warm and pliable. Assemble tacos by filling each tortilla with grilled shrimp, shredded cabbage or lettuce, mango, salsa, sliced avocado, and crumbled cheese. Serve with lime wedges for squeezing over the tacos. Veggie tacos. Veggie tacos are a flavorful and nutritious option featuring a medley of sauteed or grilled vegetables topped with fresh salsa and creamy toppings for a satisfying vegetarian meal. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the vegetables and toss with taco seasoning until they are tender and slightly charred. Warm the tortillas on a grill or in a skillet until they are soft and heated thorough. Assemble tacos by filling each tortilla with sauteed vegetables, seasoned black beans, pico de gallo, sliced avocado or guacamole, and shredded cheese if desired. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves and serve immediately. Fish tacos. Fish tacos are a popular coastal favorite, featuring crispy, battered, or grilled fish fillets, topped with crunchy cabbage slaw and tangy sauce for a refreshing and satisfying meal. Season the fish fillet with salt and pepper. Coat them in a light batter or rub with taco seasoning. Then grill or fry until crispy and cooked thoroughly. Toss the slaw mix with lime juice and a pinch of salt until well combined. Warm the tortillas on the grill or in a skillet until they are warm and pliable. Assemble tacos by filling each tortilla with crispy fish fillets, slaw mix, cilantro lime, crema, sliced radishes, and sliced jalapenos if desired. Serve with hot sauce on the side for an extra kick. And finally, my favorite, chili and tortilla chips. Sprinkle with meatless chili on top of tortilla chips and top with shredded lettuce, diced tomato, sliced olives, jalapenos, and grated cheese and sour cream. Serve with salsa and guacamole on the side. What time is it? It's time to assemble our tacos. And the first taco in this corner, we have our soft tortilla bowl. Do you prefer soft tortillas or crunchy taco shells? What's your go to choice and why? Is there a specific taco topping or salsa recipe you've perfected over the years? Share your secret ingredient or technique with us. What's your favorite taco memory with friends or loved ones? Was it a special occasion or just a casual gathering? I appreciate your comments. And in this corner, we have our yellow corn taco shell. Soon, I plan to chow down on these five tacos, and I can't wait because they all look and smell yummy. What's the most amount of tacos you've eaten at once? Who loves eating tacos the most in your family? During the same meal, who eats the most amount of tacos in your family? Leave a comment and let me know. And in this corner, we have our soft taco. How soon do you plan on starting a taco eating tradition for your family and or friends? What will you name your family and or friends taco eating event and how often will you have the event? Weekly, monthly, seasonally, etc. Have you ever thought of alternating who will host your family and or friends taco eating event? I appreciate all of your comments. And in this corner, we have our hard yellow corn flat bottom taco shell. Out of the five tacos we have here, which taco shells are your favorite? Have you at one time or other tried all of these types of taco shells? And in this corner, we have our soft taco pocket. Out of the five tacos we have here, which one or ones do you think will pass our taco shell test? All five tacos are done and it's time to grub. As you can see, we have a variety of tacos and they all look very delicious. And there you have it. We have our taco shells stuffed with all of our delicious goodies. All we have to do now is taste it all and see how the tacos stand up to our taco shell challenge. So let's see. All right, so that one wasn't that bad. And on the box it said that it would be a mess, and it wasn't that messy. So now let's try our bowl hard taco shell. One's a little hot because of the jalapenos, but still good. That one worked out well too. It stayed intact, didn't fall apart. Two down, three to go. Soft taco. So far, so good, and they're delicious. 'That stood up good also, that soft taco. Cheers to your health. Three down, two more to go. Hard taco shell, which is kind of softer now because it's in here. Four down, one to go. I have to admit, pretty full, but we're gonna keep going. Soft taco bowl. there you have it. I have to admit, I'm very, 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 very. It's 5 berries for 5 tacos. Full. I'm gonna definitely have to go swimming to burn off all these calories. All in all, I would say all the tacos were delicious and they were equal. They weren't very messy. I can't say I necessarily have a favorite. Thank you once again for joining me for another episode of Trey Cooks. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit your notifications so you can get my future videos directly to your cell phone and or computer. Make sure you have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health.